All right, that was a brief by CS Rebecca Miano Tourism and CS Lee Kinyanjui Trade. They're the ones running coordination of the programs at the Lee Funeral Home. The pictures you're seeing on your screen right now, live pictures from the Jomo Kenyatta International Airport. That is former President Uhuru Kenyatta was just arrived in the company of CS Edan Duale, and that is the Deputy President, Professor Kithure Kindiki, live at JKIA. You know, any moment from now, in fact, the live tracking shows us that the plane is about 227 kilometers out. That's about 27 minutes to touch down. We're expecting the President William Ruto to head to JKIA in just a short while. The pictures you're now seeing are live pictures from Parliament, where they're getting ready for the public viewing of the body of the late former Prime Minister Raila Odinga that's supposed to be brought to Parliament between 12 p.m. to around 3 p.m. Earlier on, we were showing you pictures from the Lee Funeral Home, where preparations are also in top gear for the receiving of the body of the late Prime Minister Raila Odinga. They're already in Kenyan airspace. We know this because we are tracking the flight live. That is RAO 001. In fact, I just mentioned earlier on, and you're seeing it live. The President, William Ruto, is just heading into JKIA just now because the flight is just about 22 minutes out. The President is supposed to lead the delegation receiving the dignitaries there. This is President William Ruto being received by Professor Kithure Kindiki, who's the chairman of the funeral committee, and the vice chair, that is Baba Odinga. You can see him there also receiving the President. The next to him is Amason Kingi, and there's also CS Soipan Tuya, all of them there. There's the flight codenamed RAO 001 is within the Kenya airspace, 227 kilometers, I believe. You can see also the Attorney General there. You can see CS Salim Vuria, all of them receiving President and James Orengo as well. Now the flight is 167 kilometers out, just about 20 minutes to touch down. We are tracking it live, and that's the reason why you can see that live screens there. That's the live tracking of the flight codenamed RAO 001. It is a KQ flight 203, but now it is codenamed RAO 001 because it is within the Kenyan airspace, 167 kilometers to touchdown, 20 minutes out to JKIA. Plans are in top gear at the Lee Funeral Home, where there was an update by Lee Kinyanjui from Trade. Also, you can see the President now has joined the former President, all of them working together as they go to receive the body of the late Raila Odinga, who's just 20 minutes to touch down from the JKIA within the Kenyan airspace, 167 kilometers out, and the program will begin officially. Parliament buildings, proceedings are in top gear for the public viewing that is supposed to start from 12 p.m. all the way to 3 p.m. The public will be allowed to view the body of the late